welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful sleek bun using inexpensive hair. If you guys want to see how great this look, then keep on watching. As always, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into this video. So you can see I'm starting out with blown out hair. My hair is coming out of a protective style for the last 3 weeks. And I'm going to use my brush just to kind of pull that back into a sleek low bun. And with this brush, I'm telling you, I found it on Amazon. It's literally changed my life. I love it. It's the new detangling brush that had the separating combs. So amazing. I'm telling you, I love it. So after I get my hair down in this sleek bun, I'm going to go ahead and just smooth that out with a comb. Make sure I got everything in that bun. Then I'm going to go back with my brush and then brush out the puff. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. After that, I'm going to follow up with my one and only Eco Styler Gel. You guys already know. After I finish applying my Eco Styler Gel, I use my hands to really smooth that in. Then I'm going to follow up with a boar bristle brush just to make sure my hair is really nice and sleek. And I'm going to take the same boar bristle brush and just brush out my edges, only because I found a brand new edge control that's specifically made for thinning edges like mine. The one I'm using is from edgecontrol.com. It's a beautiful product. It's all natural edge control, but the best part about it is made for thinning edges. It contains the ingredients that's going to help to grow back your edges. And as you can see, I lost a lot of my edges, and that's because I've been wearing braids for months, and for 3 months, and it literally took a toll on my edges. So I'm happy to use this edge control that's going to help to grow back my edges. So if you guys haven't tried it, it is amazing. You do not need to tie your hair down with this edge control. Normally with my Eco Styler Gel, I would have to tie my hair down for a minute to get it really nice and sleek and a really nice hold. But this one, you do not need to do that, and it has an amazing shine. I am literally obsessed. So definitely get your hands on this. It's super good. Look at my edges. It looks so amazing. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do my ponytail. Now the ponytail I'm using is from the beauty supply store. It's a drawstring ponytail, and it was only $8.99, and it had a really nice curly texture similar to mine. Oh my gosh, this literally changed my life, you guys. I love this drawstring ponytail. It looks so real, and especially when I do my makeup like this, this looks amazing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Lovelyanneka below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.